I got a bass and some chicken fillets in here. About to throw it out in my ditch. Let's see if I can get some crawfish in the morning. Just throw it out like so. And we will be back in about 12 hours. All right, guys, it's time for the moment of truth. I'm about to pull up my crawfish truck. See if we caught anything overnight. Oh, what? Oh my gosh. Oh, yes. We caught a American eel. That's one of my favorite catfish baits. All right, guys, so I know I said this was a freshwater eel, but as you can see, if you look closely, you can see there's a huge difference. Mainly the eyes on the top of the forehead, top of the head, as well as little tiny legs. So in fact, this is a salamander, a ditch salamander. I wonder